ladies and gentlemen. Welcome in here with Misfit Studios as always, and today we've got something super special for you. Nate, one of the owners of Misfit Studios, is actually going to be showing you how to use VoiceAttack on Steam. All the links that he's going to be using I will put down in the description below. He's going to be
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're from. What's up, everybody? Today, figured I'd do a combination video where I look at Mountain Blade 2 Warband, or Mountain Blade 2 Bannerlord, and I talk about how you can get VoiceAttack working using a mod that recently came out. First thing we're going to do is we're just going to run into the actual game, and I'm going to show you guys just like right off the bat in a battle how this thing works. So everyone, follow me.
Follow me!
Archers, fire at will.
Stop shooting!
Archers, fire at will.
Shoot at will!
Archers, move here.
Arrows, get moving!
Infantry, move here.
Put that forward!
Infantry, shield wall.
Put shields up!
So let's start with kind of where I found it, just to give it credit. I did find the article on PC Gamer because it recently came out. It was by Fraser Brown. Mountain Blade 2 Bannerlord works brilliantly with voice commands. So here we have a link to basically where I read the article, and they kind of go into how great of a thing it was to have that mod. So, and I completely agree. So the links for it are here. It's the Screamer Lord mod, and if you click on it, it goes here to the Nexus mods, and he has the files to download. So to download it, what you would do is you just go down here, and you can read the article and how it works. But one of the things he mentions is you need VoiceAttack, right? So when you go to hit the download to download this manual download right here on the right, it's going to say you need VoiceAttack. So you click on VoiceAttack, it opens up the link for VoiceAttack. You click on download if you don't already have this, and then you're going to click here for changes. Oh no, sorry, you're going to click on the big thing, the blue icon here, right here, and that'll install VoiceAttack. Go through the installation. Obviously, I'm not going to go in too much into that, but once you have it installed, then what you can do is you can download this, which will install, which will download. You just want to hit slow download. You'll have to have a login to Nexus Mods if you don't already have that. It's free, so shouldn't have any problems. But that'll download the zip file. You're going to go to where that zip file is. And if you don't already know, you're going to have to extract that zip file. So you'll have this thing extract. And here you go. So once you're in, you'll have the profile that you need and all of the information with the instructions all in one spot. What you're going to do then is you're going to open up VoiceAttack after you're done installing it. And you'll get a screen somewhat like this. I'm going to actually turn off the commands for now. And what you'll see on the top here is a profile. You're going to go ahead, and this is a free version that we're working with. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on edit here, and it'll pull up this. All you want to do is there's only one profile with the free one. So what I have to do is I basically went here and renamed the default profile to Mountain Blade 2 Bannerlord. Deleted. So I went in through, and there's going to be a bunch of custom commands that you have in there. I just went through and right clicked on each one like this and then hit delete so that there were no commands left. After I did that, I went import commands, and then you go into that file that you've basically extracted in your downloads, and you're going to select the free trial version one and hit open. Once you have that, all of these will appear. You just hit done and make sure this is set up this way. And now when I say infantry attack, there we go. See? And that's obviously the same thing as charging. So But yeah, so it takes multiple different things. So it works really, really well, but it'll see that some of the things were unrecognized because obviously I'm talking a lot. So, so you can see that, but like here's all the recognized: infantry line, infantry shield wall. And if you want to know also in detail about those commands, you just click on edit here. And you can see all of the descriptions right here. And some of the things that I'm just going to go into detail that you can do to make it better is you can go to Windows, type in speech settings, pull this up. It's going to give you just like all this information, but there should be, oh, maybe not speech settings. You know what? I think there's a link in here to it. Let's see. See if I can find it. I just clicked on settings. No, alternative speech engines. Okay, that actually might be useful because the Windows one is not always the best. It doesn't catch every word I say properly. But remember to pause between your commands, and don't say, like, the reason why it wasn't working initially is because I was saying a lot of words and I hadn't taken a pause between my commands, and so it thought that was one full command and it didn't recognize it. So you kind of have to give a command, give it about pause of 2 seconds or a second, and then give another command with no talking in between, and that'll make sure that this operates properly. Yeah, so I'm just going through all my settings. I didn't change anything in here. It's been working fine. The only thing I did do was teach my computer to recognize my voice better. So I think it's maybe voice recognition. There. Yeah, Windows speech recognition. There it is. So that's what you want to type in. Windows speech welcome to speech recognition. Let's see if I can hit back. So basically just go through the tutorial and it'll help you with the setup wizard. But yeah, you want to get that set up and you want to train it as much as you possibly can. It's just basically you saying words, right? And done. And you're all set. After you do those few things, you just launch this app and you should be good to go. There is in the VoiceAttack tutorial, like when you install it, it does go through all of that. That's usually really all you got to do. I mean, honestly, it took me a total of about 5-10 minutes to set up. And the fact that I didn't even really read the commands initially, I just tried it and I was able to control my troops just as like it did. So that's kind of.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and we will see you guys next time.